equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the closure system and handle on your Thermomix TM5. This is a straightforward task that can significantly enhance the functionality of your appliance. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount, so make sure it is completely powered off. Next, remove the bowl and lid from the base. This will give you better access to the closure system. Now, locate the screws that secure the closure system. There are typically 4 screws on the underside of the lid. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. If you find it challenging to reach any screws, a flathead screwdriver can help pry open any tight spots. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the closure system from the lid. Take a moment to inspect the internal components for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any issues, it might be a good idea to consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any underlying problems that may not be immediately visible. Next, let's focus on the handle. The handle is usually attached with 2 screws located at the back. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Be cautious not to strip the screws, as this can complicate the reassembly process. With the screws removed, gently pull the handle away from the lid. If it feels stuck, a little wiggling may help. Once the handle is free, take the opportunity to clean the area around the handle and closure system. A clean appliance not only looks better but also functions more efficiently. Now, it's time to install the new closure system. Align it with the screw holes and press it down gently. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this can cause damage. Next, take your new handle and align it with the back of the lid. Insert the screws and tighten them carefully. Make sure the handle is firmly attached, as it will be used frequently. Before reassembling the bowl and lid, it's a good idea to test the closure system. Close the lid and ensure it locks securely. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Once you're satisfied with the closure system and handle, reattach the bowl and lid to the base. Plug in your Thermomix TM5 and give it a test run. If everything is functioning correctly, you're all set. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with no calls and no travel required, our service is designed to be as convenient as possible for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.